Harvey Ziegler, a 100-year-old longtime Montgomery County resident, received his COVID-19 vaccine at the East County Community Recreation Center in Silver Spring.
All right, well done.
Well, some have been telling me not to take it, but I feel like the medical institution got a good record, so take it.
Ziegler said now he's looking forward to going out again when the pandemic ends.
I'm figuring on going back to church, taking my exercise, going to the banks, going to the pharmacy. So I think it'd be a good thing to take.
The county health department is operating COVID-19 vaccination clinics that aim to provide better access to residents in underserved areas.
We've got to overcome resistance in the community. We've got to make sure that vaccines don't go to the people with the fastest computers or can speak the language the best. So we've been trying to put vaccines out in an equity framework. That's why we're here today. We want people to know that everybody in this county's got to get vaccinated, and these are the hot spots of the county.
Vaccine appointments are being offered to seniors in highly impacted zip codes. For example, zip code 20904, where the recreation center is located, has the third highest number of total coronavirus cases in the county. Montgomery County estimates that about 50% of residents ages 75 and older have received their first dose of the vaccine. The health department says it currently receives about 5,000 doses weekly from the state. Council President Tom Hucker said those aren't enough doses.
We really need the governor and MDH to stop playing the political games and to give us our fair share of vaccines. We need the 5 largest counties in Maryland, Montgomery, Prince George's, Baltimore, Baltimore County, Anne Arundel, to get our fair share of vaccines. We have been getting 3 to 4 times less per capita than the 6 smallest counties in the state. And we have yet the greatest number of deaths in Montgomery County, and right next door in Prince George's, they have the greatest number of cases.
He said the county health department is the only delivery system that is guaranteeing equity in vaccine access.
Our elderly residents and our black and brown residents right here in this district, this is my district, we have so many of the 10 hardest hit zip codes, and we need the doses to make sure that they're getting the vaccines first and not folks, as Mark said, who can just be very adept at registering on multiple websites and getting in front of the line.
County clinics are currently vaccinating residents in priority group 1A and group 1B tier 1 to include adults ages 75 and older. In Silver Spring, Mariam Shahzad for MyMCM.
More people live in Montgomery County than in Wyoming, Vermont, North Dakota, and even DC. We are a big county with a lot of stories. Subscribe to our channel and don't miss any of the important news happening in our community.